Hey there everyone, so as you can see on the thumbnails, I'm about to show you how to export Google Drive files to another Google account. So make it sure to watch until the end because I will show you the two simple method you can use. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so method 1, share and make a copy. So open the Google Drive on your phone and select the file or folder you want to export. Tap the three lines in the upper right corner and tap share. Enter your second Google account email and tap send. The file will now accessible from your other account. Alright, so method 2, use Google Takeout. And you can use this for large transfer. Just select drive, tap next and choose send download link via email. Download the files and upload them into your new Google Drive account. This works well for large amount of files or full backup. So that's it. Now you know how to export Google Drive files to another account. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.